Hi guys, and welcome to a new episode of Abs in the Kitchen. Today I want to share with you a very simple and fresh Mediterranean-inspired meal, Tabouli salad with grilled chicken. If you're ready to try this deliciousness, let's get started. First, we're gonna start making this salad by preparing our bulgur. Grab a plate. We're gonna place 2 tablespoons of bulgur in the bowl. And we have to top it off with a really hot boiling water. Just pour it over it. Kind of twirl it and twist it. We're gonna cover this up and set out on the side. And let's move on into working on our parsley. It's already washed and cleaned up. We're just gonna cut the stems off and really finely chop your parsley into super small pieces. We want it to be small as possible. We're not going to place this into the biggest bowl you have. We have to leave a lot of space. It's going to be pretty big in volume. So get a big bowl, we're going to mix it up, and then we'll serve it into a nice and pretty plate. Next up, we have our tomatoes. Slice them up, take the middle parts out. Again, with the tomatoes, we're gonna do the same thing. We're gonna slice them up and chop them into the smallest cubes you can possibly make. We want them there, but we want them super tiny, very small, so they can evenly go through the whole salad. Let's move on to our onion. We're gonna use about 2/3 of the fresh white onion. Clean it up. Again, the same with all the previous ingredients. We're gonna fine chop all the ingredients and get it into our salad. Next, very important thing, a lot of lime juice. Grab a fresh lime, slice it into half, and squeeze all of the juice right into there. Lime juice will cancel out that onion taste, keep that freshness. So as much of lime juice as you like, but the more the better. Alrighty guys, it is time to check on our bulgur. It should double in size. Again, if you are gluten intolerant or you do not like this grain, you can use quinoa or just skip any grain at all and just enjoy a green salad. So on this step, we're going to twist it a little bit. We're gonna drain the water, squeeze the excess water out of it, and add it into our salad. And the last step for our salads, let's add some seasoning, a little bit of virgin olive oil. We're gonna mix it all up and set it on the side to cool down and get that flavor right in. And we will move on to work on our chicken. We're going to cook our chicken in the pan on a medium heat with a little bit of oil. I do have a barbecue seasoning on my chicken, but you can do a seasoning of your liking. And once we're all done, we will come back to the salad and finish this off. And now that our chicken is all done, we're going to slice it and serve it with the salad.